Once upon a time, in a quiet village, a kind man named Elias lived with his wife Mira and their two daughters, Lena and Sophia. Their small house was full of laughter and peace. Elias loved his wife deeply, and Mira loved their daughters even more. But happiness can disappear in a moment. One winter evening, Mira became very sick. Despite Elias's prayers, she passed away within days. The house that was once filled with music now felt like a silent tomb. The little girls cried for their mother every night, and their father sat by the fire, helpless and alone. After some months, Elias thought, "I cannot cook. I cannot fetch water. My daughters need care. They need a mother." One day, he met a young woman named Clara. She was beautiful, graceful, and spoke softly. When she smiled, his lonely heart felt warm again. "Please marry me," he said. "Be my wife." Clara looked at him for a long time and then said coldly, "I will marry you, but I will not raise your daughters. Send them away first, then I will come." Elias's heart broke, but he could not stop looking at her beautiful face. "Maybe she will love them later," he told himself. "Very well," he whispered. "I will send them away." That night, he sat with Lena and Sophia. His voice was weak. "Tomorrow I am marrying again. My new wife does not like children. You must hide in the grain store. Do not worry. You will have food." The sisters were scared, but they obeyed their father. The next morning, Clara came to the house. Elias said to her, "My ancestors' spirits live in the grain store. Please feed them 3 times a day. They are always hungry." Clara agreed, and for a few days she brought food to the store. The girls ate quietly in the dark, hoping their father would come back soon. One afternoon, Clara went to the hairdresser. She spoke proudly about her husband. The hairdresser laughed and said, "Spirits? No. His daughters live in that store. You are feeding them." Clara's face turned cold. "He lied to me," she said. "Those foolish girls." When she returned home, she did not bring food. She locked the store door and shouted, "No more food for you! I do not want you!" The little sister cried, "We have nothing to eat." The older one held her close and said, "Do not cry. We will find a way." When Elias came home, Clara screamed, "You lied to me. I will leave you if you keep those girls. Choose them or choose me." Elias trembled. He loved his daughters, but he feared losing his wife. "I will take them away tomorrow," he whispered. The next morning, the forest was cold and silent. "Come, my children," he said. They walked for many hours until the girls grew tired. "Rest here," he said. "Sleep under this tree." When they fell asleep, Elias placed a branch beside them so they would think he was still there. Then he left. He never looked back. In the night, Sophia woke up. "Lena," she whispered, "I hear something. I'm scared." Lena listened carefully. "It's a wolf. He is hungry." The wolf came closer, his eyes shining in the dark. "Our clothes are leather," Lena said. "Give him small pieces." They tore pieces from their clothes and threw them. The wolf ate them and went away. When morning came, Sophia cried, "Father didn't come back." Lena held her hand. "We must be brave. We will find help." She climbed a tree and looked around. "I see a house, big with cows and sheep. Let's go." They walked to the house. A tall man with angry eyes came out. "He looks dangerous," Lena whispered. "We must be careful." When the man left with his animals, Lena said, "Wait here, I will get food." She ran inside, found bread, and brought it to Sophia. The next day, she did the same. But on the fourth day, Sophia said, "I want to come too. I don't want to stay alone." Lena warned her, but Sophia followed. They entered the house. Lena took food quickly, but Sophia stayed too long. The hunter returned early and caught her. "Aha! A little thief!" he shouted. He threw her in a sack, tied it, and hung it from the roof. Lena hid outside, her heart beating fast. When the hunter left again, she ran in. "Sophia, where are you?" "I'm here," came the small voice from above. Lena climbed up, cut the rope, and freed her sister. Then they filled the sack with heavy stones, pulled it back up, and escaped. When the hunter returned, he hit the sack with a stick. "You bad little girl," he shouted. The rope broke, and the stones fell, crushing him. He never moved again. The sisters ran far into the forest. At last, they saw a small cottage. An old woman opened the door. She had kind eyes and a warm smile. "Oh, my poor children," she said softly. "Why are you alone?" Sophia cried, "Please help us." The old woman hugged them. "Come inside. You are safe now." She gave them food and a soft bed. From that day, Lena and Sophia lived with her like her own daughters. The house was small, but it was full of love, and never again did anyone tell them to leave. Thank you for listening to my story. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe, like, and share it with friends who are also learning English. Your support helps me bring more stories for you. See you in the next one.